Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now you can see about the app called AppStation, and here you can see I have 4,499 coins. And here you can see once you log in with your account, it will be asking you for permissions to use the app. Then give permission, and here's the home page. Then you can see here my apps. I have two apps listed over here. One is Amazon seller, and second one is Talking Tom Facts. And here you can see in the invite friends, here you can see I'll be receiving 250 coins of every friend and get 25% of earnings, and as well as my friend whoever sign up with my link will also get 25% of the coins I earn. So this is give and take policy. And here you can see in the payments I have $1 to redeem, and here you can see you can redeem up to $20. And I'm moving on to my app. So here you can just tap on it to use the app. So once you start using the app for this seconds which is mentioned on the app, like 233 seconds, so you will be getting 1 coin. And next, moving on to the home page or menu section, here you can see featured, my apps, wallet, payouts, and friend invite. And this is all about the AppStation. So just make sure you install the apps which are under feature and make them active by playing them all the day, so that you will be getting points or coins updated in your account or wallet every time. This is how you can earn more money on this app just by sleeping, or else you can just keep the app active in the night and make sure you check the app in the morning, so that the coins get transferred into your wallet and you can redeem with the payouts like PayPal. I'll share my link in the description, so that you get 25% of my earnings as a gift or bonus. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button.